In this video, we listed the 15 best cheapest accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Portable Label Maker. The Brady M210 handheld industrial portable label maker is a versatile and durable tool designed specifically for professionals needing efficient labeling solutions in demanding environments. Compact and portable, this label printer measures 9.5-inch HX 4.5, WX 2.5D, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks. Its robust construction includes a drop resistance of up to 6 feet, ensuring reliability even in challenging conditions. This label maker is especially suited for electrical, wire, and cable identification, addressing the needs of electricians, technicians, and other field professionals. The device includes a label cartridge, allowing users to start printing high-quality labels immediately. With its industrial-grade performance, it streamlines the process of organizing and identifying wires and cables, enhancing efficiency and safety. Product 2. Product name: Underbed Storage with Wheels. The Baboxu Underbed Storage with Wheels is a practical solution for maximizing storage space in your home. Designed to slide easily under your bed, this 2-pack of storage containers combines convenience, durability, and style. Here's an overview of its features. Key features: generous capacity. Each storage bin has an XXL 60L capacity, providing ample room to store a variety of items like clothes, shoes, toys, or seasonal items. Rolling design: equipped with smooth wheels, the storage bins can be effortlessly pulled out or pushed back under the bed, making access to your belongings hassle-free. Clear lids: the clear lids allow for easy identification of the contents inside without needing to open the containers, saving time and keeping everything organized. Durable construction: built with sturdy metal frames and durable materials, these storage bins are designed for long-term use. Product 3. Product name: Adhesive Shower Caddy. The Adhesive Shower Caddy, 5-pack rust-proof stainless steel bath organizers, offers an efficient and stylish solution for organizing your bathroom. These no-drill shelves provide a large storage capacity, ideal for holding shower essentials like shampoo bottles, soap, razors, and sponges. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, they ensure durability and a sleek appearance, making them a functional and decorative addition to your bathroom. This set of adhesive caddies is designed for easy installation without the need for tools or damaging your walls, making it perfect for renters or those seeking a hassle-free storage upgrade. The adhesive system offers strong, stable support, keeping your items securely in place. Product 4. Product name: Folding Step Stool. The HB Tower 3-step ladder folding step stool is a versatile and practical household tool designed for a wide range of everyday tasks, from reaching high shelves to assisting in light maintenance work. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame, it provides durability and stability, ensuring safe use for various purposes. Key features: wide anti-slip pedal. Each step is equipped with a spacious, anti-slip surface to enhance safety and comfort, reducing the risk of slipping. Convenient handrail. A built-in handrail offers additional support, making it particularly suitable for users seeking extra stability during use. Lightweight and portable. Despite its robust steel construction, the ladder is lightweight, allowing for easy transport and storage. Folding design. The step stool's foldable nature ensures it can be compactly stored when not in use, saving space in small homes or garages. Product 5. Product name: Laundry Drying Rack. The Amazon Basics foldable portable laundry drying rack is a practical and versatile solution for air drying clothes both indoors and outdoors. With dimensions of 29.4 by 14.8 by 41.9 inches, LXWXH, this drying rack offers ample space to hang clothing, towels, and other items without occupying too much room. The lightweight and foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to store when not in use, ensuring it fits seamlessly into compact spaces. Key features: durable construction. Made with a sturdy yet lightweight metal frame, this drying rack is designed to handle the weight of multiple garments while maintaining stability. Portable design, the foldable mechanism allows for effortless transport and convenient storage, making it suitable for small apartments, dorms, or trips. Product 6. Product name Can Liner Dispenser. A Can Liner Dispenser is a practical and innovative accessory designed to enhance cleanliness and organization in your home or workspace. The 2PC's Can Liner Dispenser, 2024 upgrade, provides a convenient way to store and dispense trash bags, helping to streamline waste management in kitchens, bathrooms, and toilets. Features: compact design. Its space-saving build allows it to be mounted on the wall or placed discreetly at the bottom of trash cans for easy access. Enhanced organization, keeps trash bags neatly stored and readily available, eliminating clutter. Multi-use application, suitable for use in various areas, including kitchens, bathrooms, and even offices, ensuring bags are always within reach. Durable construction, made from quality materials, it is built to last while providing a clean and modern aesthetic. Product 7. Product name Clear Plastic Drawer Organizer Set. The VTOPEPMAR 25PC's Clear Plastic Drawer Organizers Set is an ideal solution for maintaining neat and organized spaces across various rooms in your home or office. This versatile set includes 25 clear plastic trays in for different sizes, offering flexibility to accommodate a wide range of items. The organizers are perfect for use in the bathroom and vanity drawers to store makeup, toiletries, and grooming accessories. In the kitchen, they can hold gadgets, utensils, or other essentials, while in bedrooms and offices, they are great for organizing smaller items like stationery, jewelry, or electronics accessories. The transparent design allows for easy visibility of contents, making it simple to locate items quickly. The durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use, while the non-slip bottom keeps the trays in place inside drawers. With its multi-purpose functionality, this organizer set helps create a clutter-free environment, enhancing convenience and efficiency in daily activities. Product 8. Product name Laundry Detergent Dispenser. The Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser is a practical and stylish addition to your laundry room organization. Designed to simplify laundry routines, this 105 ounces wall-mounted dispenser is ideal for storing and dispensing a variety of laundry essentials, such as detergent, scent booster beads, or laundry powder. Its sleek design saves counter space while adding a clean, modern aesthetic to the room. Key features include large capacity. With a 105-ounce capacity, it reduces the need for frequent refills, making it perfect for households with frequent laundry needs. Versatile storage, suitable for various laundry products, such as beads, powders, or granular detergents. Easy dispensing, a user-friendly mechanism ensures effortless access to the right amount of product, minimizing waste and mess. Wall-mounted design, saves valuable countertop space and enhances room organization, making it a convenient solution for smaller or busier laundry areas. Transparent container, allows easy monitoring of contents for timely refills. Product 9. Product name Wood Phone Docking Station. The TESLYAR Wood Phone Docking Station is a stylish and practical organizer designed to keep everyday essentials neatly arranged, whether on a desk or nightstand. Crafted with precision, it caters to men who value functionality and aesthetics in their personal spaces. Key features: versatile organization, includes dedicated compartments for phone, wallet, keys, watch, and other daily accessories, ensuring easy access and decluttered surfaces. Premium craftsmanship, made from high-quality wood, its smooth finish and sturdy construction provide durability and a sophisticated appearance. Thoughtful design, the docking station's layout is intuitive, offering a convenient place to charge a phone while keeping other essentials organized. Product 10. Product name Wall Hooks for Hanging. The 24-pack wall hooks for hanging offers a versatile and practical solution for organizing and decluttering your living spaces. These heavy-duty self-adhesive hooks are designed to support up to 33 pounds, making them suitable for a variety of items, from keys and towels to heavier items like kitchen utensils and small tools. Their transparent design ensures they blend seamlessly with any decor, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Key features: heavy-duty capacity. Each hook supports up to 33 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability for everyday use. Self-adhesive installation. No tools or drilling are required, making these hooks easy to install and remove without damaging walls or surfaces. Waterproof and weatherproof. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, they perform well in humid environments such as bathrooms and showers. Versatile application. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including tiles, glass, metal, and wood. These hooks are perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, outdoors, or even indoors. Product 11. Product name: Tyly Sponge Holder. The Tyly sponge holder is a highly functional and versatile kitchen accessory designed to keep your sponges, brushes, stoppers, and scrapers organized and within easy reach while maintaining a clutter-free sink area. Made from rust-proof aluminum, it offers durability and long-lasting performance, ensuring it remains in excellent condition even in moist environments. The strong suction cup design allows it to be easily mounted inside your sink without the need for drilling or permanent installation, providing a convenient and space-saving solution for kitchen organization. The holder's removable feature makes it easy to clean, keeping your kitchen area hygienic. Its sleek black finish complements various kitchen styles, making it both a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen. Perfect for anyone looking to organize their sink area and prevent clutter from accumulating, this sponge holder ensures that your cleaning tools are always accessible and neatly stored. Product 12. Product name: Cord Holder. The 6-pack magnetic cable clips by Joyram are an excellent solution for cable management, offering a neat and efficient way to organize and manage cords in various settings, such as home offices, desks, phones, cars, walls, desktops, and nightstands. These clips are designed with a magnetic feature, which makes it easy to adjust and secure your cables in place without the need for tools or complicated setups. Each set includes 6 clips, giving you multiple options to manage different cords simultaneously, whether for charging cables, computer wires, or headphones. The adhesive backing ensures that these clips can be attached securely to most surfaces, making them versatile for both stationary and portable use. Their smooth and adjustable design ensures that cables can be held firmly but also removed easily when needed. Product 13. Product name: Anti-Fatigue Rug. The Kitchen Cloud's Kitchen Mat Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Rug is designed to enhance comfort and support during prolonged standing, making it ideal for use in the kitchen, at a desk, or other work areas where you stand for extended periods. Measuring 17.3 inches by 28 inches, the mat is compact yet spacious enough to provide relief from the discomfort often experienced when standing on hard floors. Its cushioned surface promotes better posture and reduces strain on the feet, knees, and lower back, which is especially beneficial for activities like cooking, dishwashing, or working at a standing desk. This anti-fatigue rug is constructed from waterproof material, making it easy to clean and maintain. Its non-slip backing ensures that the mat stays securely in place, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Available in a sleek black color, it seamlessly fits into most kitchen and office settings. Whether you're standing at the kitchen sink or using it in an office environment, this mat helps to provide a more comfortable and ergonomic standing experience. Product 14. Product name: Rubber Nozzle Tool Kit. The 22PC's Universal Integrated Rubber Nozzle Tool Kit is a versatile and practical set designed for home improvement and maintenance tasks, particularly caulking. This kit includes a variety of reusable, stainless steel caulking nozzle tips and finishing tools, ideal for creating clean, smooth caulk lines around windows, doors, bathtubs, and other areas in need of sealing. The rubber nozzles are designed to be easy to attach to caulking guns and provide a precision application for even results. The set is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering a range of nozzle sizes to accommodate different caulking jobs. The stainless steel coating on the nozzles ensures durability and ease of cleaning, allowing them to be reused multiple times. The included finishing tools help smooth and perfect the caulking bead, leaving a professional-looking finish without the mess.